Want to learn one of the best sutures for flap and corner wound closure? This is the half-buried horizontal mattress suture, also known as the tip stitch. Unlike a regular horizontal mattress, one side of the stitch is passed through the skin, while the other side travels through the dermis without exiting the skin. This protects the delicate tip of the flap from tissue damage and preserves its blood supply. The result? Better wound edge alignment, less tissue trauma, and improved cosmetic healing. This technique is commonly used in plastic surgery, facial lacerations, and triangular flap closures. Practice this stitch regularly to improve your suturing skills and surgical precision. Follow for more surgical suturing techniques and hands-on practice videos.